Hello guys, as you can see, I am playing GTA4 on my Android device. Yes, how is this possible? In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to install and play this game Themo 3 on your Android device. Before we go further, please make sure you hit that subscription button, give this video a like so that you don't miss out any video that I post on my channel. Yes, and also please make sure that you join our WhatsApp channel, you join our Telegram group, and you join our WhatsApp group so that we discuss their tech related things. Now in this video we are going to use an application called Winlator 11. Yeah, as you know, Winlator 11 has been released sometimes back, and this is a Winlator which is more stable than the previous versions. First of all, in order for you to play this game, you have to make sure that you own the legal game. You buy it from wherever you can buy it from, and from Rockstar Entertainment you can buy it, yeah, and then put it on your phone. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that. Actually, if you want anything, you can join our Telegram channel or our WhatsApp channel, because we post their files that will be helpful for you. If you know, you know. Yeah, that's it. First of all, let us see how to as you can see, this is already as you can see, this is my Winlator 11 on my phone. Yeah, as you can see. So let me show you. As you can see, the game is here too. The game file is here. It is here, GTA4. Yeah, I already own it. I bought this game. Make sure you have the game. Yes, please join our Telegram channel too. Yeah, you might be lucky to get some of the files there. Now, before we go further, let's just do what? Let's proceed to installing Winlator 11 and configuring it for the best setup. I'll show you how to configure, set up Winlator 11 on your Android device and use it like a real computer. This emulator is actually so powerful that you can do a lot of stuffs. It is a high potential that can be compared to a PC of i5 or i3 specification. Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up, use it, and enjoy your Android. And so that you can, I'm going to show you how to set it up on your Android device and use your Android device to the fullest. So actually you'll be able to use your Android like a computer. As you can see here, everything works fine. Now let's proceed to setting it up. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my Winlator 11. Yeah, this is my Winlator 11. What you do, you can download it from the official GitHub. You can tap, or you can go to your Google and search Winlator 11. It will take you to a GitHub where you can be able to download this file. Otherwise, you can also join our WhatsApp channel or our Telegram channel. All these files will be provided for free of charge. Download them and install them on your Android device. Now let's proceed to configuring it and setting it up for the best performance. By the way, in order for you to play heavy games like the GTA4s and whatever, you have to make sure that you have a device that runs on a Snapdragon. Yes. Now let us when you open up your Winlator 11, this is how you are going to set it up here. First of all, you will come here. First of all, you will tap on these three lines. This file will not be there on yours. So what you do is you tap on these three lines and then come to settings. Yeah, from settings here, you are going to set up the cursor speed and everything that you need. As you can see, the cursor speed, you can put it there. Then the cursor size, yeah, let us make it a little bigger there. And then here you will choose the cursor color. I've chosen the red color. That's all. You can put everything in light. Then here the box 64 version. Here what you do is, first of all, tap here to download the latest box 64 version. You tap on this download icon. Now from here, what we are going to do, we are going to use this box 64. Tap on it and then tap OK. As you can see, it is downloading. Fully downloaded. As you can see, we are using box 64, whatever there, version 0.3.7. that's for the best performance. And then here, box 64 preset. What we are going to do is we are going to put it to performance. After putting it to performance, now you just tap on this stick. We tap on OK. Now here yours will be totally empty, but as me, I've already created mine. Now let me walk you through how you are going to install it and put it on your device. First of all, yours will be new. You will tap on this plus. Yes, after tapping on the plus, these are the settings that you are going to input. Me, I'm just going to tap on that and then put on edit. Now here where it is written name, you are going to write any name of your choice. I've put Guru 256. Here the screen size, you are going to put it, the screen size, the best one is here. Let me look for you. The best one is here, 12080 by 720. That's the best one. Let us use that. As you know, this device is a Snapdragon, but you can put it in Turnip Adreno if it is a Snapdragon, or you can put it in Vigil. Anything there can work. As you see, then you let us scroll down. We scroll here up to where it is written advanced. You tap on advanced. After tapping on advanced, remember box 64 preset, we put it in performance. And then startup selection, here the startup selection here, you are going to put it to aggressive. Then the windows here, windows you can choose 10 or 8, but 8 works very perfectly. 8 works very well. Then you have to make sure that you tick all of these. Processor affinity, you tick all of them. After ticking all of them, then you tap on our OK button here. As you can see, your container will be created here. Yes, your container will be created. Now let us launch it and see if it works fine. As you can see, it is starting up. Our Winlator has already started up, as you can see. But this is not full screen. To put it in full screen, you're going to slide here, and then you can see here toggle full screen. Remember, we have put this on our Android device. Toggle full screen. Now anything you want to install on your Winlator, you will find it in D here. You will find it in D. Now this D on your phone, it will be the download folder. Remember this path. Yes, on your phone it will be the download folder. So make sure that you move everything you want to install on your phone in the download folder. As you can see, I already have a lot of things here. I have GTA4, I have Vice City, I have CJ. That is you know CJ, of course. Now let us try to install any applications on our phone to see if it works fine. I'm going to tap on Virtual DJ 7. This is the installation procedure. Of course, you follow the on-screen procedure to set it up. Please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, because I have a lot of other videos that will be helpful to you. Till next time, bye bye.